Hey guys, Cheryl from bombshell.com. So I just wanted to tell you that today was the first day that I got grocery delivery. So I got a new meal plan and it's pretty boring. I mean, you're going to have a lot of vegetables, tons of spinach, turkey breast, lean meats, got frozen chicken, eggs, and ground turkey that I'll be meal prepping today. And I'm not sure if I'm going to do Periscope for the meal prep, but what I realize is when I go to the grocery store, I'm starving, I'm hungry, and I end up picking up a lot of things that I shouldn't have as snacks in my house, like chips or, French fries that I can fry up. And, so in order to avoid all of that temptation, I went through my meal plan, figured out what I needed to get as groceries, and then went to the Safeway delivery app. And I'm not getting paid for this, but I ordered everything through Safeway and had it delivered to my house so that I can do my meal prep today. The reason why I decided to do this is because I thought, okay, well anyway, the first delivery is free, so I might as well go ahead and take that chance. And if I didn't like it, then is this going to be worth $10 every couple weeks for my meal preps? And it might be, because that way I'm not bringing into my house the snacks that I'm not supposed to be eating that are sabotaging my diet and my health and my fitness goals. So that is my tip for today. I'll post on my blog the meal plan, the grocery lists, and everything. So this is what I got today. The haul is pretty much greens, and there's already things in my refrigerator and freezer, so there's some things that I didn't end up buying, but the things that I needed for my recipes are all here now, and I can get started on that. Okay, talk to you later. Bye.